Hello everyone, it's my girls, Fanners. So hello cookies. So today we are going to pretend as being a cat. I am very gonna die after this video, and this is going to be very cringe. So if so, please get bleach and yeah. Get holy water and bleach. Don't worry. I'll give you free bleach and free holy water. Infinite. So as we're already walking as a maid. So this is the avatar that I made at the uwu thingy. Oh my gosh. Okay, why is someone following me? Oh my gosh, they're following me. Wait a second. I'm just going to spawn at house 37 so they cannot see me. Okay guys, back to me. So yeah. Look at the avatar, look at the tail. Guys, if you think I'm a furry, I am not a furry. So yeah. It's been a long day I haven't posted, and here is the announcement. So I turned grade 3, and yeah, I don't have any holidays anymore. So yeah, it's going to be very challenging to have a YouTube channel. To have a YouTube channel and classes. Okay, so it's going to be very hard because I have hard work too. So yeah. So I might be not posting for some while, for some days or weeks or years. But no one can stop me from making videos for you little cookies. If you don't know why am I calling you Cookie, it's because you're sweet. Yeah, cookies are sweet, right? Okay, party's out. Let's go take a car. Don't worry, it's going to be senpai-ish. Why am I saying senpai? I hate senpais. Why am I saying it again? What the? I am not a pirate! Did I? Oh my gosh. Okay, I need my senpai. Okay, this is my boat. Why is it policed? Okay, I'm just gonna make it pink. I don't know why, but let's just go to the main map. Because right now I was at house 37, so no one can see my cringe. So yeah, okay. I forgot this thing cannot drive that much. Okay, wait, I am premium. Wait, I don't care. I'm too lazy. I'm just gonna make it pink for senpai. Why am I saying? What was that? Okay, ready for the action. I'm almost at the main map. Why? And guys, don't forget to see this. I am going to chat every single cringiness that I will try to make. I'm not gonna copy some of the cringes, but you can copy mine. And it's actually kind of fun to copy this video because this is gonna be very exciting for the fans, and yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm at the main map. I already saw people. Okay, we are at the main map. What am I gonna say? Okay, I'm just gonna say yeah. This is so cringe. Okay, I am gonna die after this. They said English and Spanish. Look at that chat over there. They said English or Spanish. I'm gonna say yeah. I am gonna die. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so ridiculous. Okay, I removed my card because someone is trying to steal it. This is so cringe. I said yeah. I need Okay, if this is hashtag I am so lucky because I don't want people to make me be as a real cat furry, so yeah. Why am I saying I need... Oh no, someone's gaining. I'm gonna say Nya again. What's that? Okay, I am not turning around. I'm gonna say Nya. Why? I can't hold the cringiness of this. But I need to pretend to be a Ubuka. Why? Why is he? Senpai. I'm acting like a real cat. Why? Senpai. I am gonna die. Okay, guys, after this video, make sure to get bleach. 0 likes equals a bleach. He said, Senpai. What do you want? Senpai. I'm gonna say I need you. Why is this boy crying? I actually realized that a boy is coming in. Why is this so cringe? Okay, this is going to be so cringe. Okay, he got the tattoos and that chest thing. What is he gonna say? Why your skin pink? My hair is pink, but I think no one's talking to me. Okay, what is he gonna say? I'm gonna say Nya. Nya. Why? Oh, this guy's looking. This guy over there. Yeah, that blue guy. Oh my gosh. This is going to be so ridiculous. I'm gonna say senpai again. Oh my gosh, I can't handle this cringeness. My eyes are tearing. Bro so Jimon so much. I have tears in my eyes. Okay, I'm gonna follow him. Senpai. Senpai. Okay, I am not giggling. Literally, I am dying, not giggling. My eyes are... Oh my gosh, wait, oh. I'm gonna say yeah to a girl. But not with those... Never mind, with those squiggly lines. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna remove that. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna follow this boy. Oh my gosh, I'm getting closer. Oh, he's turning back. Senpai! 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 Don't leave me! Don't leave me! Don't leave me! Where are you, Senpai? I was too busy chatting! I'm gonna say wow with no squiggly line. I need senpai. Wait, why did he say senpai? I need senyo. Senpai. I am dying right now. I said senpai in a public server. Oh my gosh, look how many I chatted. Senpai. Oh my gosh, why am I... Okay, I love bacons, but not like love, not like in love. Oh my gosh, what the... I'm gonna say Nya again. Yeah. Why are we so close? I hate this. Nya. This is so cringe! Why am I pulling a car? Yeah. Yeah. I am getting too close. Oh my god! Ew, wait a second. Oh my gosh. We're so close. She looks at me. And I look at him. She looks at... How did I... Oh. Magjowa po kayo, ate? Who is that? I'm just gonna say Nya because I don't know what to say anymore. I'm gonna say Nya. Like Nya. Like Nya. Does it mean joke? Nya. Does he understand Nya? Nya. I'm gonna say more Nyas. Nya. I'm gonna say no. Okay, now I'm gonna say I want senpai. I want more senpai. Everyone is believing I'm a senpai. Ooh. I want more senpai. I found that boy. I found the boy that I first met. She looks at me, and I look at him. She looks at me. Oh my gosh, I'm taller than him. Okay, I'm gonna be... Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, I can't move forward. I'm gonna say senpai. I'm a minor. I like minors. I like minors. I don't want to say it, but... Okay, I am a cat. I like you. I need you. With the squiggly lines, I forgot. I need you. Why am I going so close? Guys, don't even eat food. You're gonna... Oh, someone's confessing. Senpai! Senpai! I'm just a kid. Okay, I'm going to lie to my age. I'll say 5. Guys, by the way, guys, guess what is my age with my voice? Same. I am going to die, gonna die. Okay, guys, this is going to be so cringe. So please don't watch the full video. But if you're literally 18 plus, don't watch this video. I am chasing him right now. Why? Why am I sniffing his hair? I'm 4. Come on. Senpai. Why did I say sand? Yep. Why senpai? Senpai. Senpai. Ooh. Bro, he's holding a tablet. Senpai. Why did I lie about my age? That will be so cringe. Little kids don't watch this. Don't make your parents watch this either. Senpai! Senpai! I gotta say senpai! Why am I so senpai? Why am I banned? Senpai! Senpai. You're my senpai. Senpai. Wait, I forgot we can ban people here. Senpai. Oh my gosh, a policeman. Why is he so buff? I don't want buff policemen. I need you. Senpai. Senpai. I'm gonna die deep in some little pond. By the way, why is there so many boys I met already? I met so many boys. Why is this girl always keep giving me flowers? Senpai. I'm gonna pull out a rose to confess. I don't know why, but ew, disgusting. I'm not ready yet. Oh my god, he's moving back. I'm gonna move forward. I am trying to find the... Oh, there. He said yes. I need you, senpai. I need you. Okay, I made him. I don't know. I'm gonna die. Sorry guys, but I'm gonna die after this video. Rip Sophia. By the way guys, if you've gone to this that far, if you wanna be proved, I said I gone too far. Why is he smiling? Okay, I'm just gonna move closer. Guys, comment I've been here this long because I wanna see you. This is gonna be so long to edit. Senpai? Why? Is he senpai guy? Okay, oh my gosh. I am so lucky we are short. Senpai. Wait, did I lag? I lagged. I lagged. Okay guys, that's it for today because I lagged. Yippee. So,